Hi everyone, welcome back to Goals Crusher, your go-to channel for goal-setting tips and motivation. I'm your name, and today we're going to explore a fun and powerful tool to help you stay focused on your goals, a vision board. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. It's a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that inspire you and keep you motivated. By creating a vision board, you can keep your goals in sight and remind yourself daily of what you're working towards. Vision boards are powerful because they help you visualize your goals, which can boost your motivation and focus. They serve as a constant reminder of what you want to achieve, helping you stay committed and on track. Plus, they can be a lot of fun to make. Before we start, let's gather the materials you'll need. A board or poster paper, scissors, glue or tape, magazines, newspapers or printed images, markers or pens, optional stickers, washi tape, and other decorative items. Alright, let's dive into the steps for creating your vision board. First, take a moment to reflect on your goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year? Think about different areas of your life like career, health, relationships, and personal growth. Write these goals down. Next, go through magazines, newspapers, or print out images and quotes that resonate with your goals. Look for visuals that inspire you and represent what you want to achieve. Now, start arranging your images and quotes on your board. There's no right or wrong way to do this, just go with what feels right. Once you're happy with the arrangement, glue or tape everything down. Add some personal touches to your vision board. Use markers to write motivational quotes or decorate with stickers and washi tape to make it uniquely yours. To get the most out of your vision board, place it somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom or workspace. Spend a few moments each day looking at it and visualizing yourself achieving those goals. This daily practice will keep you motivated and focused. Creating a vision board is a fun and effective way to stay focused on your goals. By keeping your dreams in sight, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and committed to achieving them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use a little inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to Goals Crusher for more motivational content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing those goals.